Now, from Into Tomorrow, this is an ITTV special report.
Of course, laptops are getting thinner and lighter these days, as well they should be, becoming a lot more convenient for travel. Our next guest has one that we're loving. Wait till you see it. He's the Director of Consumer Products and Pricing for all of Western Europe for Lenovo, Andrew Barrow. Andrew, welcome Into Tomorrow.
Good morning.
You've got some fun things, the Ultrabook S300.
U300S.
The U300S. Okay. There's so many model numbers all going through it.
I get confused by our own range.
I hear you. This thing is so thin and so light, it just makes me wonder, how does it work so well? So tell me, first of all, about this.
So this is our first, one of the first Ultrabooks on the market. So using the new Intel ULV chipset.
Yes.
So it's 14.9 millimeters thin, 1.32 kilos. I'm sorry, I don't know what that is in pounds.
I was going to say, which in
American
old
money, I'm not sure.
But it's very light.
Very light.
It's very small.
Yeah. Also, it has 8 hours battery life.
8 at this size without extended batteries?
Correct.
So just as it is?
Yep.
8 hours of battery life.
And also, so one of the key criteria also for the Ultrabook form factor is that it can go into standby for 30 days.
No. Just sit there with your work waiting to be resumed.
Waiting to be come back
easily.
Yes, that's right.
Loving it. And of course, with SSD, as you're noticing, starting Windows, it's happening here in about 8-9 seconds.
Yeah, so if you go for our high-end i7 with a 256 gig SSD, it's 10.4 seconds from cold start to being able to do things.
Nice. So you don't even really need to hibernate it or anything.
Not
because
really.
It's not going to take long to give you a fresh start anyway.
No, so sleep is around 2 seconds.
Oh, nice.
Into sleep and resume.
And that really is the future of laptops, and well, should be. Why should we wait around? We're all very busy. We have no patience. Why do we wait around for something to boot up?
Yeah.
We need to do it now.
Yes, everyone wants everything instantly, so we've tried to accommodate them with this. So we've done a lot as well with the chipset and the SSD, but also we've taken the Windows 7 and tweaked it. So we've played with the BIOS, the way the drivers load to make it faster. So the things you don't need instantly, they load up in the background, which is how we can get it to be so fast compared to other Windows devices on the market. So.
And I think that's been an issue with Windows anyway for a lot of years. Well, for that matter, any operating system, especially on our smartphones too, we have the same issue. Stuff loads up. We don't need. Let us just start clean and go with what we need and then take it from there. Is this in several flavors, if you will, different size drives?
So certainly for Western Europe, we're launching 2 versions. So we have an i5 with a 128 gig SSD and then an i7 with a 256.
Nice. Okay, so the processors are there, the speed is there, the battery life is there, and it's extremely lightweight and thin, easy to travel with.
Yeah, so it is ultra portable by the name, and it's also we have rapid charge on this product, so it can actually get to 50% charge within 30 minutes. So if you need to quickly stop in on the way to a flight, whatever, plug it in, charge it up, and you're good for the next flight.
You got a half-hour connection between flights, plug it in, you've got 4 hours of
roughly
use.
4 hours, depending on what you're doing.
Loving it. Price and availability yet?
So it'll be launching into Europe at the end of October. So for the i5 version will be €999.
Okay.
I think that's about
around 1,400, 1,500 US.
About 1,200 US without taxes. So that's with taxes, $999.
Gotcha.
So,
All right, excellent. What else is next now that you're showing here at IFA from Lenovo?
So we're also, at the same time, we launched our new range of tablets. So we have our consumer device. So this is our K1, IdeaPad K1. So if you just
there you go. I was going to say, where's the power button?
It should come out.
Oh, yes, indeed.
And then if you just twiddle it around, it will unlock.
Just twiddle around the lock.
Yep.
Okay. Love it. And, of course, Angry Bird shows up right away. So there you go.
So for prerequisite for any executive product is Angry Bird.
Yes, good point. Chris plays it constantly on every device he's got. So you can certainly launch that and just get right into some heavy work.
Yes. So what we've tried to do, though, is to focus on the out-of-box experience. Obviously, there's lots of other players in the market. We've tried to focus on when you buy it, you turn it on, you select your language, set up an Android account, and you're ready to go. So it has 30 apps preloaded.
Good.
So we've added a lot of software which people want from day one.
Yeah.
You don't need to connect it to a PC. You don't need a credit card. You literally plug it, turn it on, and you're ready to go.
And it is also very lightweight, very thin. I like the. This is not a cover.
That's a skin. That's an optional skin.
An optional skin. Okay, that's very cool.
Just to protect it.
A clear optional skin that little rubberized sort of thing, and it does give you extra protection. camera with flash. What kind of megapixels?
So we've got 5 megapixels on the back and 2 megapixels on the front.
Okay, excellent. Again, certainly the way that all good tablets are coming as well, with a front-facing camera in addition, so that you can do some video conferencing and all the other stuff, self-portraits and whatnot.
Yeah.
You should have 31 pre-installed apps, including the Into Tomorrow app. It's free, so
excellent.
future models you'll probably stick that on there.
I'll let the team know.
Yeah, I'm sure. And the availability here?
So that's we should be shipping that in the next couple of weeks. It'll be available in Germany and the UK.
Excellent. And then we'll probably get it across the pond.
It's already
soon.
so it's already shipping in North America already.
Oh, we got it first.
You got it first.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, that's okay. No problem.
But it's our pleasure. We've only got about a minute left in this
Okay.
segment. I want to get to some of the goodies.
So
here.
I'll quickly show you this one as well. So this is our basically the first sort of true commercial product.
The Lenovo ThinkPad.
So this is in our traditional ThinkPad family, which is a more ruggedized design. This has so this is basically the first true commercial product. So it's hardened Android. It comes preloaded with VPN, good email security, McAfee, LANdesk, and Citrix. So you can actually use it as a network device. You can control it. An IT manager can control it in the same way as a normal PC. So you can upload a file, XML file. He can then disable the USB ports, turn off roaming, turn off the cameras, make it secure. It also has absolute preloaded, so you can subscribe, and then if you lose it, you can track it down and you can kill it. Obviously, you can send a signal to disable the device.
So there's that safety issue as well, and that's the new ThinkPad
Tablet. And this one also has a optional digitizer pen.
Check it out. Yeah.
So you can use that to click on apps, but also you can use it to write, and it will transfer your scribblings into writing.
Unless, of course, you're a doctor and it can't be read anyway.
Yes.
But that's a whole other story.
Technology only goes so far.
That's true. The magic of technology. And Lenovo.com for more info. Andrew, a real quick one,
Very
because
quick
I love
one.
the color and size of this one.
Yeah. So we're also we're launching this product on a worldwide basis, and we're assessing the market to see if we launch it in outside of China. So this is a 7-inch device, built-in GPS, so you can look at offline maps. As you can see, available in vibrant colors rather than the less traditional colors.
It's not boring, that's for sure.
No, you would stand out with that one.
Yes, indeed. Lenovo.com for more. Andrew, thanks for spending a couple of minutes with us. We'll let you get back to your very busy exhibit here at IFA.
Thank you very much.
And we're back with more when you hit intotomorrow.com. Links to all of our guest sites and, of course, all the videos of all the interviews as well. Again, intotomorrow.com. I'm Dave Graveline. Into Tomorrow continues from Berlin, Germany, and IFA after this.